The fastest growing influencers right now are not even real. Yes, they are AI and they are getting lots of views and making lots of money. While you're showing up on camera trying to stay consistent but nothing is working, people are making 6 to 7 figures already using AI influencers like this to create different kinds of content. And that is exactly what I'll be teaching you today. I'll be teaching you how to create your own AI influencer that can create any type of content for you, bring in brand deals. You can use this AI influencer to sell your product, both digital and physical product. These AI influencers are all over the timeline and people cannot really tell because they look real, they talk real, and are pulling in real income. Hi, my name is Blessing and I teach beginners how to make money with AI. So if you have been seeing this whole AI boom and still wondering what to do with it, how to make money with it, you're in the right channel. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. I also teach you how to position yourself so that you can get gigs, business owners can rush you and give you work, alright? Without further ado, let's dive right into the tutorial. There are two ways to this. It's either you use your face to create your AI influencer or you create it from scratch. As for me, I'm going to be using my face so that as my AI influencer is becoming famous, I'm becoming famous also. And secondly, you either generate your prompt with ChatGPT or you input your prompt manually like this. For me, I like to input my prompt manually from my head because I already have everything on my head, how I want my AI influencer to look like, what I want it to be wearing, everything. I already have everything on my head. I have the picture of what my AI influencer should look like on my head. So I like to impute the prompt from my head. But if you want to build from scratch, you can use ChatGPT to generate your prompt. So if you want to build from scratch, go to ChatGPT and prompt it to give you a prompt that you can use to generate a hyper-realistic AI influencer and describe everything you want your AI influencer to look like, what you want it to be wearing, the posture you want it to be in. And that's how you keep asking it for prompt for every scene. As for me, I'll be prompting from my head, so let's get right into it. So this is the prompt I'll be using to generate my first image. Now, as you can see, I'm using Gemini AI to create, and this is what it gave me. My AI influencer is a travel influencer, and I want the video to start from her in her room, packing her bags to go to the airport. So I described the scene, background, how I want the room to look like, what I want her to be wearing, her posture, and everything. It was a well-detailed prompt. So I described it and it gave me my first image. Now I went ahead to prompt it again, and in my second prompt, I told it to maintain the same image it created first. So that is to make the AI not to change the face. So each prompt, I always ask, still maintaining the image created above, and then I add what I want it to be wearing. If I want the change of outfit, I add it. I describe the outfit I want it to be wearing, the posture I want it to be in, where I want, the image to be, the position I want it to be. Basically everything. You have to be very detailed, like put everything you want. So that's how you generate your image for each scene. So for a video, you should have at least 4 to 5 scenes. So generate at least 5 images that you are going to animate. Now I'll be highlighting the key things that you should always take note of. Now I mentioned earlier that you either create your AI influencer from scratch or you use your face to create one. Now when using your face to create one, you upload a clear picture of yourself, and then in your prompting, you're going to tell it to use the uploaded image without changing anything on the face. After uploading a clear image of yourself, always ask it not to alter anything on the face before, going ahead to create your image. Now, after it has created your first image, the subsequent prompts always ask it to maintain the image created above. This is so that it can give you consistent character, so that it doesn't change your AI influencer's face. Alright, now once you are done creating your images, you now go to Grok to animate them. And remember, we are using Gemini AI to create our images, and it's a free tool. There are other tools there like Higgsfield that you can use, but we'll be using Gemini AI for today. The secret I want you to know about generating these AI images is that once you have generated your first image, now once you have told the AI, you have prompted to maintain the image created earlier, if you have told it to maintain it, you don't need to always describe your AI influencer again. You just put she, and then she's in a luxury. You just say she's doing this at this point, and then the AI model will just create your image for you, so you don't need to be describing it from scratch every time. So once you have generated your first image, if you want to generate the rest of your image, just write, while maintaining the previous image created, she is, then add what you want it to be doing or what you want it to be wearing at that point. Now let's go to animating the images. These images, we are going to be using Grok AI. Now you're going to launch your Grok app like this. I posted a video earlier on how to get Grok AI for just $2, so you can go check it out. So launch your Grok app this way, and then click on that picture, and then click on animate photo to bring in the image you want to animate. Now you're going to input your prompt like this, because the way Grok works, once you just upload an image to start generating, but you have the ability to input a prompt and then regenerate. You can also click on the options to increase your video length. You can also generate the prompt you would like to use to generate your video using ChatGPT, but I will be inputting the prompt manually by myself, because I already have everything on my head and I want it to be according to how I want it. So I want to describe the prompt by myself and then let my AI do exactly what I want it to do. So I'm not going to be using ChatGPT. I'm going to be inputting the prompt, what I want it to be doing, the movement, what I want it to say, everything, how I want it, how I have it on my head. That's exactly how I'm going to be writing it here for it to generate exactly what I want. What you can do as you wish. You can use ChatGPT. Just explain to ChatGPT what you want your AI influencer to be doing, what you want to achieve. Just be detailed. You can use the speaker to talk to ChatGPT so that you can be more detailed, so that it can give you exactly what you want. So one secret to generating this video is that before I add what my AI influencer is saying, I first of all describe what she's doing, right? So I always say, while she's doing so and so thing, depending on what I want it to be doing at that point. So right now I want my AI influencer to be arranging clothes in her bag. So I always say, while she's arranging clothes in her bag, smiling and looking slightly at the camera, with accurate lip sync and a Nigerian accent, she says, then I go ahead to write what my AI influencer will be saying. You see that with Nigerian accent, you need to input it. It's very, very important, because if you don't specify that your AI influencer has a Nigerian accent, it will go ahead to generate your voice in a different accent. And depending on you though, the accent you want your AI influencer to have, but I want mine to have a Nigerian accent, so I always specify to give my AI influencer a Nigerian accent and also a proper lip sync. I want my AI influencer's mouth to rhyme with whatever she's saying. So this video you're watching right now is the one that Grok generated for me without imputing my prompt. So you can see I'm trying to impute my prompt right now, and once I'm done, I'll click on generate and it will generate my video for me the way I want it. So if you like, you can read my prompt and see how I prompted Grok. So always check your prompts. If there is a mistake, you adjust your prompts so that it can generate your video for you the way you want it. So after imputing my prompt, I click on generate and it goes ahead to create my video. Now this is the video.
This is what a Monday morning looks like for me as a travel influencer, packing my bags for another luxury vacation. Guess my destination this time and win something big.
So I go ahead to save it, and then I bring in another image, prompt it by first of all writing the action I want my AI influencer to be taking in the video, and then adding that she has a Nigerian accent and with proper lip sync she says. Then I add what I want my AI influencer to be saying. So I'll be bringing in my images that are already generated one after the other and prompting it like that until I'm done generating all my videos, and then I take them to CapCut to add them together. Now I open my CapCut like this, and then I start bringing in all the videos that I've animated. Bring them in one by one, starting from the first one, that you animated to the last one. Okay, after bringing them in this way, you're now going to start editing them, right? You start removing the unnecessary pauses, the place where your AI influencer took time before he started talking. You don't want it to look like you generated them one after the other. You want the video to flow, so you start cropping them out, and at the end you should have a video that is accurate like this.
This is what a Monday morning looks like for me as a travel influencer. Packing my bags for another luxury vacation, guess my destination this time, and win something big. Get ready with me to go to the airport as I tell you a few interesting things about me. My name is Alicia and I'm not real. And no, I'm not a ghost. I'm an AI travel influencer. My job is to travel to different luxury locations in different countries, review different foods, visit different tourist destinations, and review hotels. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking this is baby girl lifestyle, Abby. It can be stressful sometimes though, but I love my job though. So guys, I'm ready. Rate my look on a scale of 1 to 10. I will be updating you throughout this trip, so follow along. Any clue of my destination yet? Comment below. The first person to get it correctly gets a gift from me.
If you found this video helpful and you want to build an income stream using AI, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. All right, I'll see you guys on my next. Bye.